Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flashlearners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. A boy divides 54 by y and the result is 6. Find y. A boy divides 54 by y and the result is 6. Cross multiplying y times 6 is the same thing as 54 times 1. 6y is equals 54. Dividing both sides by 6, y is equals 9. So that is y. And given that a is equals 17, b is equals 5, c is equals 5. Find the square root of 2a plus 2b plus 6. This is under substitution. Substitution simply means to replace. Substitution simply means replacement. How do you substitute? They said a is 17, b is 5, and c is 5. Which means, in this expression, instead of a, put 17. Instead of b, put 5. Instead of c, put 5. At the end, find the square root. 2a becomes 217 plus 2b becomes 25 plus c becomes 5. 2 times 17, 34 plus 2 times 5, 10 plus 5. 34 plus 10, 44 plus 5, 49. 49 is not the answer. Don't go to the option and choose 49. Don't be in a hurry. They say find the square root of the answer. So the square root of 49 is simply your answer, and that is 7 rather. 7 times 7 is 49. Take note of that. Don't rush into answers. Find the value of s minus 3 if 14 plus s is equals 3. Find the value of s minus 3 if 14 plus s is equals 3. What you do here is simple. Leave here. Focus on this. If 14 plus s is equals 3, collecting like terms, s is equals 3 minus 14. 14 is positive here. As it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes negative. Now, s is simply equals, what is 3 minus 14? 3 means you have 3. Minus 14 means you are owing 14. If you are owing 14 and you have 3, after payment, what is remaining? Is it your own or you still be owing? You still be owing 11. So since you still be owing 11, here is minus 11, not 11. The first step, we've gotten the value of s. Then you come here. They say find s minus 3. S is minus 11. Minus 11 minus 3 is equals minus 14. Minus 11 means you are owing 11. Minus 3 means you borrowed another 3 after owing 11. Which means you'll be owing a total of 14. Reason for the minus. Minus 14, not plus 14. The volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. Find the length of the cube. For a cube, volume is equals L raised to the power of 3. Or volume of a cube is equals length times breadth times height, or volume of a cube is equals length times length times length. Anyhow you choose to name them. Since they say that the volume of the cube is 64, 64 is equals L raised to the power of 3. Volume is L cube. Now how do we get the length? The length will simply be the cube root of 64 is equals L. When you are giving raised to the power of 3, it's referred to as cube. To remove cube, you find cube root of both sides. To remove square, you find square root of both sides. If I say 64 is equals L square, to get only L, you look for square root to have L. Since this is cube root, you find the cube root of here, you find the cube root of here. Now, what is the cube root of 64? Cube root of 64 is simply a number that will multiply itself 3 times to give you 64. That is 4 times 4, 16, times 4, 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. The length is 4 centimeters. That is option C.
Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode on the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video, and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.